I've been seeing a lot of coloured wood stains around, but never did I think that I could make my own. But let's backtrack. You guys know how much I love staining wood. It's just so amazing to be able to update the colour, but also keep the grain and the texture. Coloured wood stains keep popping up on my Pinterest, and I was thinking, where could I buy them? But I happened upon this Feast Watson colour chart and was so blown away. Apparently, you can add a couple of drops of regular proof tint stain to their liming white product to get a seriously cool range of pastel hues. Of course, I had to try it, and I basically added about 5% or a couple of drops of the proof tint stain to liming white. The liming white basically brings out the undertone in the stain color to give you a seriously cool pastel tone. Some colors worked a bit better than others, and in particular, I seriously fell for this bright pink, which is made by adding a couple of drops of cedar proof tint to liming white. Hello, bright pink wood stain. I decided to make a really simple side table just to kind of test out the whole process, and I love how it looks. I love that you've got a bright pastel color, but you can also see all the beautiful grain and texture of the wood. It is seriously the best of both worlds. I am so excited to experiment more with this technique. Stay tuned.